And I don't believe this, cause they don't retrieve this. I don't breathe this, I just do it. I live in talent. And if you ain't from Harpooey, it just means you're down. I don't care if you come down the line, but don't. Anywhere it comes from, down the East Coast. Better yet, we on Antidote. And if you know Harpooey, you talk of Macedonia. You talk of Ottawa, and you talk of Weinbach, and you got the foreigners from out of China. Now I need to slip this and kick this and fluid. And if I never blew it, I put my mind to it. See, I'm a descendant of Thomas T. walking in the hooky young about the road, trying to kill us. I show this, I blow this, and I kick it. Everyone knows it, like my sisters from the South Pacific. They're over there, just get into the music. I'm from Harpooey, homies, it is always music. I tell about the players play on your bio. You talk of Ohio, back to Cayo, or Hawaii. Go ahead to Montanoa, like I said before, we were ready to war. Hell yeah, I can't change, bro. You wanna talk about the man they call James, bro? How we just came up north, if you really need to say. That's when we had a way before White Chinese Day started. It was signed by Honda Hickey back in 1840. But if you know he was a hurry, that's another story. And if you know the game, then you know the truth is. But see, it's not for we, man, we love the music. We no matter where you come from and think how far, then you talk about the place they call Nafar. Cause it's the place that brings out the agility. I'm not talking about the correctional facility. And if you talk about a day down the pie here, tomorrow the weather's more better than Ottawa right here. Cause Ottawa was in the city. And if you ain't from up north, then you know we're getting busy. So listen to the words that I spit around the way. The cold mantra was the elderly that I pray. Just like every time, if you really didn't know. The opposite of holy, the heart of the cold. That'll be my homeland, like the Harpooey was the Nazi goodie. But when it comes to free jobs, I'm no rookie. I learned my traces in between you and I. That's why I'm so related, cause both of us are from the Madonna.
Yeah, mean brother, means, not police in the house. Not in the house. Not me, brother.